Morning class, I'm Will Kemp from Will Kemp Art School and I'd like to welcome you to this Absolute Beginners Acrylic Painting course. Do you ever dream of becoming an artist, but you often put it off until you've got more time? Sometimes the thought of a blank canvas staring back at you can put you in a real state of paralysis and you can never even get started on your creative journey with painting. You can quickly find yourself as an art admirer rather than an art creator. And the longer it goes on and the longer you put it off, the more it can get you down. And you'll find yourself with your paints in the paint box rather than actually putting your brush to canvas. Procrastination can really hold you back, and I should know I'm world class at it. Often my planning and my research can go on for weeks if not months, and my deadlines only just get met. So for this Absolute Beginners Acrylic Painting course, I want to help out other aspiring artists to make that step, to stop putting it off anymore and to get paint on canvas and start their creative journey. This course is aimed as if you're completely new to painting. Using acrylics is the simplest, most effective way for an absolute beginner to learn how to paint successfully. Acrylics dry quickly, they're diluted with water, and throughout this course you'll see me constantly keeping my brush moist and adding water to the mix. I also demonstrate using a stay wet palette to keep your acrylics wet over a longer period of time, so you can keep on coming back to your mixes to create lovely smooth blends. It goes through everything step by step. I introduce each new technique slowly and in a logical progressive sequence. The course is split into 7 lessons that can be tackled daily, perfect if you want a painting week, or you can study each lesson every weekend to give yourself a continuity in your painting practice. We'll cover materials and setup, colour mixing and pigment choice, brush handling and palette knife techniques, and gels and mediums. Then we'll get painting using methods that achieve great results even if you've got no artistic training. We'll cover a wide range of techniques from classical realism to a more modern abstract approach, looking at underpainting and glazing to scumbling and impasto textural effects, giving an essential introduction to the wide properties of acrylics. By the end of the course you would have created 3 different painting studies, and each one looking at a different style of painting. You'll have a really good solid foundation of how acrylics work, and then you'll be able to build on that to develop all the paintings you've ever dreamt about. So why don't you grab a brew, maybe a couple of biscuits, and join me on this beginner's course so you can unleash your inner artist and put paint to canvas.